Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to solve the error which says attribute error cannot get attribute new block on module pandas.core.internals.blocks. So this happens when the pandas version are not matched in two different environments. So for example, I have opened this Jupyter notebook and here my pandas version is 1.3.3. You can check the pandas version using this syntax pd.double_version_. So in this notebook my pandas version is 1.3.3 and here in VsCode my pandas version is 1.1.3. you can see it. I highlighted. Yeah, I just selected 1.1.3 as you can see. So these two pandas version are different, and for that, while deploying this app, here I am creating a Streamlight app in Python, so it's not working and it's giving this error. So for that you have to upgrade the pandas version in this VsCode terminal or downgrade in this different Jupyter notebook environment. Okay, so here I am upgrading the pandas version to 1.3.3. here it is 1.1.3, so I will upgrade it. So for upgrading pandas version, I just need to run this command on the terminal: pip install space _upgrade space pandas equal to 1.3.3. So as you can see, the error is no more coming. It was coming before, but now it's not coming. So you also try it, either downgrade or upgrade pandas version, and the pandas version should match. So try to match the pandas version whichever files you are working with. Everywhere the pandas version should be same. Check it and solve it. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.